Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of the essay, The Rule of the Road by A.G. Gardiner. In our previous lecture, we learned that liberty is not a personal affair only, but a social contract, social agreement. So, as such, it is our duty to have consideration for the liberty of others. Now, the author says that consideration for the rights or feelings of others is the foundation of social conduct. So, consideration for the rights or feelings of others is the foundation of social conduct. The author gives another example of his journey in a train. Now he gives another example of his journey in a train, and he was reading a blue book. A book containing official records, that is called as blue book. A book containing official records. So he was reading a blue book, and it was necessary for him to read it with attention. At a certain station, a couple of men entered the same compartment. So at a certain station, a couple of men entered the same compartment. One of them started talking in a loud voice. As a result, the author could not go on reading the blue book. The author says that the man lacked social sense. The man had indeed as much liberty to talk as the author had to read his book. So what was needed here? Only a little adjustment was required. Only a little adjustment was needed. A little adjustment was needed. The author holds that we can be neither complete anarchists nor complete socialists. A person who believes that laws and governments are not necessary, they are the anarchists. But if we defy the rules, where rules are to be observed, what will be the result? The result will be chaos and confusion and disorder. Chaos, confusion, and disorder. That is why the author says we can neither be complete anarchists nor complete socialists. But here we cannot be complete socialists because then we will lose our individual freedom. We must enjoy individual liberty where we don't interfere with others. Now, what is the solution? The solution is a wise mixture of the two. So, a wise mixture of the two is the only solution. When we can neither be complete anarchists nor complete socialists. A wise mixture of the two is the only solution. A wise mixture of the two is the only solution. The author is not against individual liberty. We have both liberties to preserve, that is individual liberty and social liberty. But they should not be allowed to come in conflict with each other. There should be an adjustment between the two. The author concludes saying that it is in the small matters of conduct. Small matters of conduct. In observance of the rule of the road. Observance of the rule of the road. Or in other words, simple words, we can say rules of politeness and of unselfishness, that we pass judgments on ourselves and declare whether we are civilized or uncivilized. So this is the criteria. In the small matters of conduct, observance of the rule of the road, rules of politeness and of unselfishness, that we pass judgments on ourselves and declare whether we are civilized or uncivilized. The author says, great moments of heroism and sacrifice. Great moments of heroism and sacrifice, they are rare. They are rare. But our life is made up of these small adjustments which make it sweet. So these small adjustments actually make our life sweet. Small adjustments. Make our life sweet. These are some main points of the essay, the rule of the road. Thank you.